To download a wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M17e, you're going to start by opening up the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're going to scroll and select Themes, and this will take you to the Galaxy Theme Store. Once you're in the Galaxy Theme Store, you want to navigate to the category labeled Wallpapers, and then from here, you should see all the wallpapers that are available for you to use. So go ahead and select one, see how it looks like in the preview. And if you like how it looks like, you can go ahead and select download, or you can tap on the back button and continue looking for your wallpaper. Once you find a wallpaper that you like, you can go ahead and select download, wait for it to be downloaded, and then select apply, and wait for it to be applied onto your phone. Now from here, you can choose to apply it to the lock screen only or to the home screen only. You can choose both, or so it's completely up to you to decide, and then tap on next. And then to finish up, after you've done the customizations and you see how it looks like, just select done to apply the changes. By doing so, you'll have successfully installed a wallpaper onto your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.